Your car, truck, or SUV's fuel pump will last over 100,000 miles on average. Most people never have to have their fuel pumps changed. You can tell if your pump has problems, however. We list 8 signs that you may need a pump replacement. Fuel tank noise. A damaged fuel pump might make a loud, whining sound that you'll hear from your gas tank. The pump may also make this noise if you're low on fuel or the fuel in your tank is contaminated. The normal noise your pump makes is a low hum. Loud whining indicates there is a problem. Difficult starts. If your vehicle's fuel pump cannot get gas from the tank to the engine, you will have trouble starting your car. The car will struggle to start and run because the pump cannot push enough gas through. A worn pump loses its pressure and the engine is being starved of gasoline. Sputtering engine. Your fuel pump doesn't stop pushing gas through to the engine once you've started your vehicle, it also pumps gas to meet your vehicle's speed. If the pump cannot produce a constant stream of gas at higher speeds, your vehicle's engine will sputter and threaten to stall. The actual stall. If your engine is getting gas from the pump, even a lesser amount than needed, it won't likely stall. It will stall, however, if the pump causes your engine to overheat. An old and worn pump motor may get too hot and this can overheat your entire engine. Power loss. If you notice your vehicle loses power when you drive up steep inclines or load it up with cargo, your fuel pump could be the culprit. As with faster speeds, the engine requires more gasoline to operate under stress. You'll lose power if the pump isn't working properly. Surging power. We've talked so far about what happens if the engine doesn't get enough gas. What happens when it gets too much gas? If the pump is pushing too much fuel into the engine, you'll notice power surges while you drive. Lower fuel efficiency. Because your fuel pump is pushing too much fuel into the engine, you'll burn more gas than normal. This means more trips to the gas station to feed your car, truck, or SUV. If you track how much mileage you get between fills and notice a drop, it could be your pump. Dead engine. Finally, your vehicle might not start because of the battery, alternator, starter, fuel filter, or the fuel pump. All of these things play a role in getting your vehicle started. If the pump is dead, you won't be able to get gas into the combustion chamber to start the car.